Why is grooming important when working at a retail store? Grooming means apple clean, neat and tidy. Grooming is important and working at a retail confidence retail store give us give us give give us give us some confidence on a retail store on others. How will you handle a difficult situation? How does empathy help and how will you show empathy to customers? Respect re- responding of the customer responding of the customer respecting respecting the customer respecting the customer and understand the customer feeling. What actions factors make customer angry? Not listening, not paying, not paying, not listening, not paying, not attention. What will you do if you see a customer eating a chocolate without paying for it? The inform the supervisor attends inform the supervisor inform about the incident. What do you understand by the item footfall? How the store you visited increases its footfall, or how can the store increase its footfall? Know of people coming, know of people coming, know of people coming to store of footfall. Discount of service, discount of service giving. Thank you.